All right, here's what I need to have done. In each of these 3 folders, and it could be 3 or it could be 30, it doesn't make a difference. But in each one of these folders, so open them up here, you'll see it's under My Drive. In this case, they're under Temp, and there's the folders: Video Project 1, Video Project 2, Video Project 3. It's 3 folders, but it could be 300. It doesn't make any difference. But these folders need to exist. But in each one of these folders, I want a set of subfolders. And the names of these set folders need to be the same across all 3 of these folders. So here's what I did. I went to Gemini, and in Gemini, I went and I asked a question. And the question I asked is this: I want to create 3 subfolders in other individual folders in Google Drive. Can I get a script written that will create these folders for me without me having to go into each folder and manually create the subfolders? Gemini came back with this Google Apps script. Now, I copied that Google Apps script into a Google Doc, and here it is right here. So I created, I went in here and I put it in here. And then the process requires to make two adjustments to the script. The first is you have to change the ID names of each of the parent folders before executing. So these are the ID names. The ID names, let me show you where you get those from. You go back to your folders. Here's Temp. And I'll look at it over here. Here's Temp. And you click on the folder where you want to put the subfolders. You got to view that folder empty. And the ID name is this text right up here after folders /. For each one, you need this piece of information here. This is the ID name right there for each one. And then you go into that script and you put in the parent folder ID. So there's the first one, the second one, and the third one. By the way, each of these lines, each of the first 2 lines is a comma, comma. The last line does not have a comma. So if I was to add a 3rd line, then what I need to do is copy this and insert it right there. I got to get rid of the space, can't have a space. And each line has to have a comma except for the last line. Now, once you got that information in place, the other piece of information you need to give it is what are the subfolder names. And so you basically follow the same concept. You put the subfolder name in brackets, comma, another subfolder name in brackets with a comma, and the last one does not get a comma after it. And again, if you want to have a 4th folder, then what you got to do is copy this and put it right here, and you give this one another name. So you can have as many subfolders as you want, but again, each line has to end with a comma except for the last line. Now, with that change, you take all this data, all this information right here, you copy this, get all of this script all the way down to the bottom, and all of that, copy that. Now, and the instructions are all right here. Then the next thing you do is you go to Google Apps Script. Okay, so once you're in Google Apps Script, script.google.com, and you're looking right here, you see Add New Project. Click on Add New Project. Now in here, you're going to get a file called code.gs. Get rid of everything that's in there. It needs to be blank. Now take that text that I've already adjusted. Remember, we were just looking at this. Start up top here. Copy all of that script code all the way to the bottom and get that last little bracket, copy that. Now what you do is you paste this in here. Now once you paste this in here, you have to do one more step. You have to hit save. And once you hit save, now you can run it. But before you hit run, make sure A, you have the right parent ID for the folders you want to put it in. B, make sure you have the right subfolder names that you want. And as long as that's all right and the save is grayed out, which means it's been saved, now you can hit run. And you can see down here, it's creating the folders in each of the parent folder that I want to have it in. It says execution complete. Now I go back to Google Drive and I look at temp folder 1. There's those files, folders I told it to create, Video Project 2 and Video Project 3. Again, it's all started in Google Drive. I clicked on Ask Gemini and I basically said, write me a script that will create 3 subfolders in 5 or 10 or 20 parent folders, and it handed me this script right here, which I then got it into AppScript, saved it, and ran it. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace, sort of enjoying using Gemini, and I hope this is helpful for you.